Morning, Steve Sosnick here with today's Interactive Brokers Morning Market Morsel. Um, I'm going to call it party time today in the markets. Why? Part of it is because we're hitting new highs, and that's certainly grounds for celebration if you're long the markets, at least the U.S. equity markets. Or you could say it's because we're being led by marijuana stocks, for better or for worse. Um, these things are not a coincidence. There's more of a tie together than you think. Remember, the last time we hit big-time market highs was in January, and remember what was going on external to the stock market at that point. It was the cryptocurrency craze. These things are not necessarily separate. I think they're quite interconnected. People seem to be needing a place to put their money, and mania follows, and people are making money in this, and then some of that money spills out into other forms of the market. But as you're seeing money flow in, risk on, if you want to call it that, that tends to lead the markets higher, or one follows the other. What we're seeing today is Tilray, everybody's favorite darling, which basically is predicting, the market is predicting more or less that they'll control about half the market potentially for marijuana in a decade with today's market cap. They seem to be off a bit as we're taping this, but yet something like NBev, New Age Beverage, is having its second 65% up day in a row. My comment here is trade these things if you want, but realize that it's really a game of musical chairs. And if you're just noticing them for the first time, you're probably late to the party. People have made a lot of money in these stocks. You're seeing a real speculative mania. Do you want to be the one getting in toward the end of this speculative mania? If you've made money in these names, terrific, good for you. But remember, bulls make money, bears make money, pigs get slaughtered. Don't be greedy. Take some profits if you have them. And if you do feel the need to trade some of these names, trade accordingly. Don't risk any more money than you can afford to lose. Have a good day. Bye-bye.